Naga Chaitanya hits and flops all movies list up to Thunder. Number 1 Josh, released in 2009, flop. Number 2 Ye Maya Chesave, released in 2010, super hit. Number 3 100% Love, released in 2011, super hit. Number 4 Dada, released in 2011, flop. Number 5 Bejawada, released in 2011, flop. Number 6 Tadaka, released in 2013, super hit. Number 7 Manam, released in 2014, super hit. Number 8 Auto Nagar Surya, released in 2014, flop. Number 9 Wakalaila Kosam, released in 2014, super hit. Number 10 Dochai, released in 2015, flop. Number 11 Premam, released in 2016, super hit. Number 12 Sahasam Swasaga Sagipo, released in 2016, flop. Number 13 Rarundai Vedika Chuddam, released in 2017, super hit. Number 14 Yuddham Sharanam, released in 2017, flop. Number 15 Shailja Reddy Alludu, released in 2018, average.